After years of failure, I finally got the Victoria's Secret abs. And in this workout, I'm going to show you the exact moves that got me there. So get on a mat and let's get started. Come to a sitting position, feet hip width apart, arms shoulder height. Now come into a C curve, so your pubic bone comes to the belly button and straighten your back. C curve, straighten your back. That's our warm up. C curve, straighten your back. C curve, straighten. C curve, straighten. C curve, straight. And one more time. C curve. Now we're going to come down with the C curve. Come up. Keep your C curve. Down and up and down. This is working your full abdominals. And down and up. Keep the C curve so your abs are engaged. Down and up and down. Bring your legs closer. Hands go to the ceiling. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands behind the head and come down. Now let's do chest lift. So inhale, exhale, come up. You look right between your legs. So don't do this. Between your legs. And come down. Inhale, exhale, come up. Inhale, exhale, come down. And come up. And down. Come up. And down. And come up. And down. And up. Hands behind the legs, come a little bit higher, and we're going to go to chest lift rotation. So the rib away from me is going to come to the hip bone close to me. Then we're going to go back. So rib to hip, back, rib to hip, back. Stay up, back, and other side. Let's do 2 more on each side. It's really difficult. And come higher. And now your hands go to the ceiling. Hold. Behind your head and hold. Your legs are going to go into tabletop, so 90 degrees in the knees and in the hips. And come down. We're going to do 100 prep. Arms above your head. Inhale. Exhale, come up. Inhale, come back down. Inhale, exhale, up. Arms come up and come down. And up. Arms and come down. One more time. Up. Arms, hold. And come down. And come up. Legs straight, and we're going to go to the 100. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs come in. Hold, and we're going to do 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab your legs, hold, and come down. Put your arms next to your body. Your legs are straight and pointed, and rotate with your legs to me. Engage your obliques and around to the other side and back. Away from me, around, back to center. That's a corkscrew. To me, around, center. Away from me, around, center. One more time. To me, around, and center. And away from me, around, and center. Now lower your legs to 60 degrees and up and down and up. You can lower them a little bit further if your lower back stays on the ground. So belly button to the spine or pubic bone to belly button and imprint your spine. Push your lower back into the mat while doing this. This will prevent back strain. And 2 more. 1 more. And come up. Now we're going to do a roll over. So your legs are going to go to 60 degrees. Inhale 90 degrees. Exhale. Come up with your legs. Flex your feet. Open your legs. Put them down. And come back down, vertebrae by vertebrae, and controlled. Your abs are working. Point your feet. Come down, feet together. Inhale 90 degrees. Exhale. Up, flex, out, down, and come down. Point your feet around. And one more time. Inhale 90 degrees. Exhale, come over your head. Flex your feet. Separate your legs. Down. And come back down. Point. Feet touch. Feet go to tabletop. Arms on the front. And come up. And we're going to do teaser prep. So come down. And up. And down. And up. Let's go to teaser. Arms above your head. Legs straight. Now lower yourself. Your arms follow. Lie down. And come back up. And straight back. Down. Controlled. And back up. Straight back. One more time. And down. And up. Let's do teaser 2. Just lower your legs. 2, 3, and bring them in. Well done. Let's come to our sides and do the side lift. Your legs are pointed and slightly in front of you. Lower yourself down on your arm. The other arm is in front of you and you're pushing into it. Your hips are stacked, so hip bone over other hip bone. And now lift your legs from your abs and down. When they are down, you have a gap here. Up and down and up and down, up and down and up and down. One more, up and down. Other side. Feet pointed, arm in front and legs up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. And one more time, up and down. Now let's go into a prone position on your stomach. Your feet are together. Your pubic bone is pushing into the mat. Your arms are next to your sides. Your head is an extension to your spine. Inhale up. And exhale down. Up. And down. You are lifting from here. And your abdominals are still engaged. 4 more. Up. And down. up and down, up and down. One more time, up and down. Now your arms come in front of you. Lift up, hold, engage your abdominals, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Let's come to rest position. Well done. If you're wondering why we did the back exercises, it was basically to counterbalance your abs. Because if your abs are too strong, your posture is going to be off and it's going to look like you have more of a pouch, which you don't have. So everything has a reason. All right. And come up vertebrae by vertebrae. And did you feel the burn as much as I did? Comment down below. I think that was a tough one. You can be so proud of yourself for doing this video today. And if you continue doing this at least 1 to 2 times a week, you'll get quick results. Promised. And don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Like skincare from the inside out. So thank you for joining me today. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!